going on a hike.
But first.
Say, we need to eat.
We need to eat.
Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy.
Cheese.
Are you gonna take it? Are you gonna take it?
Went up and grabbed one.
Yeah, I did because I'm.
Are you guys arguing about food?
He had like
After we just got finished eating, they are arguing about
Rice
food.
Krispie treats, but at tennis, he literally had 5 Rice Krispie treats.
Like a
What?
week ago, and that wasn't 5.
It 4. He had 4. You had 4.
But it was probably 4.
He had 4. And everyone else, I was like, oh, just, oh,
What just?
God.
Whoa, Bria, say that again.
And
Slower.
everybody was like, oh, why are the Rice Krispies almost gone? And Cohen's just sitting in
Did
the
you-
corner like, ha.
Did you throw them under the bus?
Bro,
No, I didn't.
Guys, you want to see my
They were
Pokemon?
like small ones.
Everyone devoured all of the snacks. so
They
I had to-
devoured, I think they
Pokemon.
You ate this one.
Wait, I want this.
That's what Cohen did.
Anyways, they're arguing about food and who's gonna get that food that Bria brought
I got
right
for my
after
tennis
we
game.
ate.
I got it for my tennis
So, guys, I am worried about this hike. It's going to be hard, I think. Maybe not. Cohen said it's pretty hard.
It's only 6 miles.
And I haven't like done anything like this strenuous probably since I broke my leg. So we'll see how it works. And I just don't feel very good today. What are you showing me, Cody? A Pokemon?
So, Emmett, if you're watching this, this is, I think, your favorite movie. Yeah.
Cool. Emma, if you're watching. But anyway, so I just have not been feeling well lately. I think I need to go to the doctor, get some blood tests done, and make sure my iron's okay. I just have not been feeling well. And I have no energy and I'm really tired. So this hike is scaring me. So comment below, wish me luck. I really hope I could do it and get to the waterfall. Do you guys think I could do it?
Yes.
Are you guys
You can.
fighting?
No, he just tried
Yes.
Joel, do you think I could do it?
Of course.
I think everybody else will be fine.
Back in the plate, I guess that's why they call it God's country. We turn the dirt and work until the week's done. We take a break and break.
Here we go. Climb a mountain.
Yep, there you go. I don't even know if I can make it.
I just don't feel well, so that's another reason why I'm nervous.
There's matching lights. I'd like catch one of those.
Dad gets up here and goes,
Guys, there's a den up there. Yeah,
so
let me show you
old.
guys.
We've got one switchback. We just did one switchback.
Let me show you guys the den. There's a den up here.
This is how high we are so far. How many more switchbacks?
Maybe 2 or 3.
Okay.
6 or
I'm
7.
getting tired. Let's go.
6 or 7. 6, 7.
Should we just leave?
They're skipping up the hill.
I could do that too.
Okay. Seriously, what is wrong with these kids? Skipping up a hill? I'm on top of the world!
We're even higher.
You okay?
Yeah.
Starting to get pretty. Do you hear? Do you guys hear the river?
Yeah.
I hear a river.
It cools down a lot.
I can already feel it starting to cool down.
Watch your footing.
We have to go down there?
Yeah.
Really?
You see it goes there, and then that goes to the river, and then we follow the river.
Okay.
Just kidding, Cody. Don't go on.
Oh, he's kidding. You're kidding?
Yeah.
Okay, let's not do that.
Up then.
Help me up then.
When Cody actually was about to do it.
You're like, okay. We did the hardest part.
Yeah.
My face is red.
I feel like we did the hardest part. I wouldn't say that's the hardest part.
Are you serious? You just broke your walking stick?
This goes.
Did I get it on? I must have got it on camera. I'll have to watch back and look at his stick breaking.
I wouldn't say that's the hardest part.
Are you serious?
No, there's a fork in the road. Which way? Hi. Oh goodness, those are pretty dogs. Is this the best day?
I love this day.
He loves this day.
That's just the longest hike.
Did you hear that?
What?
Longest. We're going to the longest hike, and it's the prettiest.
Oh, okay.
There's
But-
a waterfall at the end.
But it's the prettiest. Where's Cody?
We made our way through this and got back up to that trail.
Wait, stop. That's fun.
How?
That's fun.
Is it cold?
I can show you the picture showing fruit.
What is Cody doing? Is that comfy? Is that comfy? Yeah. Great spot.
Cody, what did you just scream for?
Grab it.
Don't touch it. It might bite. Cody, don't.
Cody, could you?
Cody, don't touch it.
Don't touch it, Cody. The way Cody screamed, bro.
Cody's like, bah!
And then they stop is right here. I'm like, oh.
That's cool.
That's a big thing. Cody, that's big.
How the heck do they move?
Their
You
skin
can't tell
like
me they don't have little legs.
their skin like does this.
It's just a big centipede. With legs. No, they have legs. See?
No, they don't.
Centipedes have legs.
This hike is getting harder. Climbing over rocks and uphill, downhill, uphill, downhill. So it is hard. I guess we're not like close yet. And anyways, Bria said, if you guys can't go, like if you want to turn back, can I keep going with Cohen? And I don't want the kids to go up just in case something happens and they have no service. So me and Joel have to keep doing this. Wish us luck. That's a giant rock. Holy moly. Smile! That looks treacherous.
You can go. Maybe.
Oh my gosh. And you think we're only halfway?
Give or take. We're screwed.
Look how cute.
Wow, down to me. The rainbow rock.
You see. Oh
You can't
gosh.
see on camera, but it's pink.
Yeah, it's pink and green and blue. That's kind of cool.
When Cody's rubbing it,
The Rainbow Rock. Let's
does
go.
that mean we're close?
It was snow.
The end of the rainbow?
Hopefully it's
was
all
snow.
melted because it got kind of slippery.
Oh, this is just a little one. It's not the end of one.
This isn't the waterfall though, right?
No.
Okay.
But this was all snow.
Oh, really?
So we were slipping down trying to climb up.
Oh. It's like the closer you get to the waterfall, the harder it gets.
Yeah, it gets pretty snow.
Said a prayer down there a little bit that my legs will have the strength to keep going because I haven't done anything even close to this difficult since I broke my leg and had 3 surgeries. And like my lungs are doing okay, but my legs are hurting. And rocking on all these uneven surfaces and the rocks, it's hard.
I'm just getting old.
But Cody almost cried when we said that we might have to turn back. So this is really important to him. So I'm gonna push through and do it. Let's just hope that I could get back down the mountain. You guys are gonna go inside that little tunnel?
Oh, it feels so good.
Okay,
You should go in too.
okay, take that.
Come here. Guys, look at this. In that little cave, feels amazing. Guys, how cool is this?
Oh, this feels so great, bro. Hey, Cohen, there. That's great. Cody, wait, no. This feels so nice. Oh, we did that.
You're finally filling it. You're doing amazing. But we've got to start heading back down because Cody's not doing well. I don't know if we're all going to turn back, but we got to find his inhaler and start getting back to the car.
Cody, what's going on?
Okay, blow out. Okay, you can't freak out. Here. Okay, breathe in. Blow out. Hold it. Does that help? Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Again, breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, one more time. Does that help?
Feeling better?
Yeah, send me everything on your phone.
Are you just more panicking?
Cody is so determined to get to the end that he's going to continue on, but I don't know. I'm a little worried about it because it is all uphill. So we'll just see what he does. Here we are. Ooh. There's a little bit of a waterfall, but I was told it was not the waterfall. But look how pretty this is. Wow. There's another cave. That's pretty. Is that cool?
Yeah.
We did it.
We did it.
We did it, Mom. We did it. How do you feel? Is it worth it? Tired? Is it worth it? Yeah.
What are they doing? Do they realize we have to go all the way back? And the sun's going down?
Do they know that what goes up must come down?
I don't know. But this is beautiful, but now we gotta start going home.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready to go? Now it is time to go down. You guys ready to go down?
Oh yeah.
Let's go. Little Mermaid.
Nice, that was fire.
Cody thinks he can't do it. So comment below and tell him that he can do
My
it.
legs stretch.
Like the video, comment good vibes. He thinks he can't do it.
Why vibes?
Just
Good things.
good things.
Yeah, why did you say vibes?
I don't know.
We want good vibes.
I want good vibes. Oh, a big rock. You go first.
I don't want to. Ow.
I can't believe I did this. And I can't believe Cody did it. But now his legs are really feeling it. Sorry guys, there's a big rock. I gotta be careful. Woo! Going down is a different kind of hard. But it's still hard. And the sun is setting.
That was kind of just awkward.
Goodbye, big rock. Didn't know I was filming, did ya? Being all goofy. Is he okay? Cody! Are you okay? Cody! Buddy, you have to. We can't stay here. Fight through it. You're the one who wanted... Hey, you're the one who wanted to go all the way to the top. Knowing we had to go down. I tried to turn. Beautiful. I tried to turn back many times.
Guys, it's starting to get dark. We're probably halfway down, so we have to hurry. Guys, I think we're the only ones on this mountain.
It's dark.
It is so dark. You can barely see the sunlight. Like, it is going down.
I think
We have to hurry. Yeah. Like, you can only, like, barely see this.
Ooh.
Maybe we could see the sunset if we get down there. Guys, look how dark it is. The only light is ahead of us. Behind us, it is like pitch
dark.
black. The sun is pretty much gone.
Yep,
We
it's
just gotta
gone.
keep going. We can see the places.
We can see
They're right there.
all the lights from the houses.
We're getting so close. The houses are just right there.
We're almost to the trails that
They are so close, guys. We're like 4.5 miles of hiking, and we made it. Our car is the only one left in the parking lot. There is no cars around. Me and Bria sprinted down the switchbacks the whole way.
Yeah.
I jogged. But I did it. I jogged
So good.
down the whole
Yeah, me and Bria
switchback.
were full sprint.
were running.
And then we
Like,
go
we
around a
couldn't
corner,
stop.
we grab the
grab the wood
wood
and
and fling ourselves around,
I
and then
didn't
we're
go that
sprinting
fast.
back down.
I was too afraid to go that fast.
Couldn't turn, so I had to grab the wood to like.
That was one of the hardest things I've done for a long time, but one of the best things I've done. We had so much fun. We were laughing. We were taking funny pictures. We were helping each other, encouraging each other. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you guys next time. Bye, everybody.